So this is 48 megapixel camera. It has a Samsung ISO cell bright GM1 sensor. Yes, the sensor is 48 megapixels but not completely. Check this out. Well, the pixel can't capture the colors. Here it takes the help of the Bayer filter. In the Bayer filter, there are 25% red pixels, 25% of blue pixels and 50% of green pixels. But the sensor in this camera uses a 2x2 array to store a red color and a 2x2 array to store blue color and two 2x2 arrays of green color. So the sensor has 48 million pixels, but since 4 pixels combine to capture one color, so the final output is 48 divided by 2, that is 12 megapixels, which is the capability of Snapdragon 660. Yes, the camera app supports the 12 megapixel in the auto mode. So this is called the pixel binning. And also even some spec apps shows that the rear camera of this phone is of 12 megapixels. So why is this hype of 48 megapixel camera? Well, the output of each pixel is of 1.6 microns, which is large. And the larger in size, the more light it can capture, resulting into the brighter photo in low light conditions. Yes, so technically the Redmi Note 7 should be able to capture some great low light shots. So to sum up, it has a 12 megapixel camera which can be manipulated into 48 megapixel later. So what's the advantage here? Well, it captures a bunch of 12 megapixel photos and later it manipulates them, offering you the great sharp photo even in the low light conditions.
So that's all in this video, guys. Hope you find this video informative. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon to never miss an awesome videos like this. With that, good day.